Okay, I have a package here that was shipped all the way from Vietnam. So I know what this is. I've been trying to get my hands on one of these for quite some time now. This is going to end up being the Hyperstone by Spinners Vietnam. And I just thought I would share opening this up with you. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. Of course, I had to have the heavy copper version, which this should be. Got it for, they're not terribly overpriced. I can't remember exactly how much it costs, but it wasn't terribly expensive. I think about $130. Yes, this is the Hyperstone. Hand addressed to me. That's not hand addressed, that's typed, but in an interesting font. It's from Spinners Vietnam. So let's see what we have here. Nice box. And in here, a card. And a piece of paper that says Hyperstone on it. And oh, this is the certificate. It looks like a certificate of authenticity. 15 August 2017. August 20th. So here's the Hyperstone in its little pouch. The heavier copper version, and it's wrapped in plastic. Let's get the plastic off of it. So I'm going to get my first impressions of the Hyperstone. Finally. Took forever. Well, that's very nice. Turn it over. My first impression is that this is probably one of the best buy spinners I've had so far. It really feels nice. Well, there it is. So I'm going to test this one out when I get a chance, and we'll see how it goes. Looks like it's going to be pretty good. Little leather pouch that it goes in. Like that. What else do we have with this? Looks like a cleaning cloth. And something in here, an extra set of buttons. Okay, so it has copper buttons on it, and they gave me a set of brass ones. And it looks like an extra bearing also. Yep, an extra bearing. That's a R188 with, oh, that has loose balls in it. It doesn't have a cage inside the bearing there. Those are going to be those the black ceramic balls, but not a lot of there's a lot of them in there. A lot of ball bearings in this bearing, but no cage. Well, that's interesting. That's definitely something different. So okay, I'll end this now, and sooner or later I'm going to test this one out. See you later.